Can a human being survive alone in minus 21 degrees Celsius during a fierce blizzard? In this journey, he ventures deep into the snow-covered wilderness, where the biting wind howls incessantly and visibility is obscured by dense snowstorms. He is forced to rely on large rocks, sheltered crevices, or any terrain that can offer protection from the storm. Instead of fighting the cold, he learns to adapt. Using the snow to create windbreaks, he shelters behind trees to make a makeshift tent, using dry branches to construct temporary structures, and finding the smallest ways to retain body heat.